guys. I actually won something shirt. Masabi. Out of kanina, masabi ni na ma'am, kanina daw wala pang nananalo. Sabi nila. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. What's burning, guys? We are currently at MOA, right there, MOA. And today is day 1 of Cosmania. This is our 3rd year of attending the said event. And I'm still waiting for Scott. He's not yet responding to my messages. So before anything else, before I go to the event per se, I'll be looking first for amount for the GoPro and more or less look for the gift that I'm supposed to buy before I go home to Camp Norte. And I haven't bought tickets yet. So stay tuned. Let's go. Ayun, nahanap na namin yung isa. Kuha na namin yung number 1. So, ang hanapin ko na lang yung Razer Gear. Lagi. Okay. And we are now with the one and only Betchu. Mas gusto ko yung food kesa sa... Now we're gonna take lunch first. Ulul. We're gonna take lunch first and then we're going to Cosmania. Di muna namin hahanapin yung hammerhead kasi mahirap siyang hanapin. Yung hinahanap ko na specific hammerhead na whatever. Wala. Hindi kami bumili ng ticket eh. We did not buy tickets, so on-site kami bibili. Dito na kami, SMX. Expected a lot of people. So, we'll check out muna the ticket booth and then we will be inside in a few moments.
Silver po for day 1 na lang.
Thank you.
198. Oh, 998.
Silver, wala. Gusto namin mag-silver. Suot muna namin yung Tibet Tax. We can now start with everything that's gonna transpire today.
A few inches later.
This Cosmania feels different. It feels different. Scott, ano masasabi mo?
Ha?
Ano masasabi mo? Wala, it totally feels different. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron, pero it totally feels different. Siyempre, maraming cosplayers. There are a lot of cosplayers. Probably Cosmania no Yaiba. I've counted like already 8 Nezuko, 4 Tanjiro cosplayers, 2 Zenitsu cosplayers. But somehow parang I can't say it. I can't say it. But I think the previous Cosmanias were way more better, I think. Probably based on merch, on stalls, on shops.
Patrol, kailan nagsama yung more of better?
More better or better, fine. Yun, natrash ako grammar na. Sige, we're gonna find food first and you know, try to roam a little bit more. Probably will be wrapping up day 1 siguro kasi wala, there's nothing much to offer for day 1. Wala pa masyadong ganap kasi, and yun nga, our thoughts on day 1, ang dami pang ano, I don't know, like I said earlier, something's really off for today, something's really off. Feeling ko ang konti ng stalls and hindi ko nahanap yung mga items na gusto kong bilhin. Ang dami kong hindi nahanap. Yun, I haven't seen that much event for as of day 1. Secondly, hindi kami kumuha ng gold ticket. We did not get a gold ticket. Kasi I think 2 years ago and last year, we felt like hindi worth nung gold ticket yung pinupunta namin dito. What I'm saying is, yung gold ticket, you will have access dun sa concert, sa Jam concert. Kaya lang, pupunta kami dito, hindi naman kami nanonood ng concert. Papasok lang kami sa loob, sisilip, lalabas, lilibot ulit. So parang hindi worth it na kumukuha kami ng gold ticket. So this time we ought na bumili na lang ng silver. Itong event has a quest where you go to stalls, selected stalls, and then you do something for them, and then they will grant you points or coins. And then once you get 150 coins, you can spin for a prize. So sinilip namin yung price dun sa booth nung MVP Circle. Wala kaming nakitang nakaka-entice na reward, kaya parang di rin kami ginanahan gawin yung mga quest. Something's really off itong day 1, so I'm really hoping na mag-iiba ang thoughts ko for tomorrow sa day 2. And sana may mahanap na ako mga items na pwede kong iuwi sa Camp Norte. And yung jacket, naghahanap kasi ako ng good quality jacket katulad dun sa Soldier 76 ko na jacket. So we'll see. And after this, punta ng BGC to find the Razer Hammerhead na hinahanap ko kanina pa. So stick around. Kuha na lang ako ng footage mamaya kung may makukuha pa ako, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Transition!
2.5. So yeah, we found the item. Dito kami sa Data Blitz. Market. Tama, market.
Okay, aware naman kayo na walang mic. Sarap yung walang microphone yan.
Wala talaga microphone. So yeah, we found it. So we're purchasing it now, and then afterwards we're gonna eat first. Social Climbing 101. We are now at SM Aura. Para lang humanap ng makakain. Just to eat. McDo na lang daw kami sa SM Aura. Of course na. So yeah, we're gonna find something to eat. Probably ramen daw. So Scott was talking about a ramen na hindi na ramen nagi. It's another ramen store, a ramen shop where we can eat ramen. So we're gonna try it, and then we'll see and judge. So mamaya naman kasi napapaghalata na ako dito social climbing 101. Hi, we're back. And we are now at Uptown, I don't know, Uptown Mall. They call it Uptown Mall. So, dito na kami sa isang Japanese resto called... Anong pangalan nito Japanese restaurant? Basta may udon siya. Meron siyang word na udon. Hindi na namin natis we wanna eat Japanese food na. So, that's it. And probably this is where I'll end today's vlog. And I'll resume tomorrow for day 2, which I hope would not be a disappointment. Yeah, I hope it all goes well. So, yeah, this is our food.
Ano mo na yung slice niya?
Diyan mo na lang.
Ano ka yung ate mo?
No, not stage mom. So, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Kain na muna kami. Bye.